Hello guys, in this video we let us discuss about what is an SQL. Structured Query Language is a computer language that we use to interact with a relational database. SQL is a tool for organizing, managing and retrieving achieved data from computer databases. The original name was given by IBM as a Structured English Query Language, abbreviated by the acronym SQL. When data needs to be retrieved from a database, SQL is used to make the request. The DBMS process the SQL query, retrieve the requested data and return it to us. Rather, SQL statement describe how a collection of data should be organized or what data should be extracted or added to the database. In common usage, SQL encompasses TDL and DML commands for create, update, modify, or other operation on database structure. Features of SQL. SQL may be utilized by quite numbers of users, which include people with very little programming experience. SQL is a non-procedural language. We can, without difficult, create and replace database in SQL isn't a time-consuming process. SQL is a primarily based totally on ANSI standards. SQL does no longer have continuation individual. SQL is entered into an SQL buffer on one or extra lines. SQL makes use of termination individual to execute instruction immediately. It makes use of features to carry out a few formatting. It uses functions to perform some formatting. SQL uses data definition, data retrieval, data manipulation, access control, data sharing. Let us discuss about data definition. Data definition, it is used to define a structured and organization of stored data and relationship among the stored data items. Data retrieval. SQL can also be used for data retrieval. And next, data manipulation. If the user want to add new data, remove data or modifying in existing data, then SQL provides this facility also. Access control. SQL can be used to restrict a user ability to retrieve, add and modify data, protecting stored data against unauthorized access. Data sharing. SQL is used to coordinate data sharing by concurrent users, ensuring that changes made by one user do not inadvertently wipe out changes made at nearly same time by another user. SQL also differs from other computer languages because it describes what the user wants the computer to do rather than how computer should do it. In more technical terms, SQL is a declarative or descriptive language rather than procedural one. SQL contains no if statement for testing condition and no go to do or for statements for programming flow control. Rather, SQL statements describe how a collection of data is to be organized or what data is to be retrieved or added to the database. In SQL, for steps to do those tasks in left for the DBMS to determine. Rules for SQL. A semicolon is used to end of the SQL statements. Statement may be split across a line, but keywords may not. Identifiers, operators, names, and literals are separated by one or more space or other delimiters. A comma separates a parameter without a class. A space separates a class. Reserved words cannot be used as identifier unless enclosed with double quotes. Identifiers can contain up to 30 characters. Identifiers must start with an alphabetical character. Characters and date literals must be enclosed within a single quotes. Numerical literals can be represented by simple values. Comments may be enclosed between backslash star and star backslash symbols and may be multi-line. In next video, let us discuss about how does SQL functions work and roles of SQLs. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.